We checked it out last night.
We are at Segreto Delray Beach, ready to try their new menu.
So you kind of put that to the side, the head, and then obviously hit the tail all the time. So somehow you have to eliminate those two items quickly. Do everything to the side. Now, you have this part right here, as you can see. It has a smaller, you can actually see it as you're going along. You can see how you're removing all the little bones. And you need to be extra careful. So this side, as you follow the line, so you see all the little bones, so you have to always be extra careful. And then as you split the middle, you can slowly detach it from the bone. But here's the heart that has to come out. All this. See how that you got that right there, so you know your guidance. And as you go under, you kind of push to detach it from the bone. It's kind of very simple, and then you'll be able to pick it up like this.
Good eyes too.
Well, the eyes, you have to be careful.
Yeah, you do.
You gotta be careful, but it's a nice. That's it. Pretty much.
Bravo.
Pretty much. Look how beautiful.
Beauty.
Sauce on the side.
Yeah. Lovely. Really nice.
Sauce on the side. Look how beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Bravo, bravo.
Now, look
Yeah.
how nice.
Just thank you.
Grazie.
Well, here we go. This looks amazing. It's double sold. It actually is meant for two, and so we have a lot of food left. It's so sweet.
Buonanotte, grazie, arrivederci.
Arrivederci.
Ciao bella, alla prossima.
Buonasera.
Buonasera,
Thank you so
grazie.
much. This was
Grazie
amazing.
mille. Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao,
We'll see you
buonanotte.
again.
I see you soon.
Absolutely. And we are
Ciao,
very
good
happy
night.
we made it to Segreto Italia here on 3rd and 3rd in Delray Beach, which has been a place we've been waiting to see what would come here. It's been open a few weeks now. We managed to eat here tonight, and it was absolutely delicious. Lovely people, lovely food, and we look forward to returning to Segreto.